Yo, what's up everybody? It's Brandon Garnsey back with another video. And today, we're diving headfirst into the future. Of laundry? You heard that right, we're talking AI-powered washing machines. These aren't your grandma's washing machines, though some of those were built to last, I'll give them that. We're talking next-level tech here. Sensors, algorithms, the whole 9 yards, all designed to make your clothes cleaner and your life easier. But are these AI washing machines all hype, or are they the real deal? We'll be taking a deep dive into 5 of the hottest models on the market, breaking down their pros and cons, so you can decide if they're worth adding to your laundry room. Let's get it! First up, we're checking out the LG ThinQ AI washing machine. This isn't just any washing machine. It's a marvel of modern technology designed to make your laundry chores easier and more efficient. From its sleek design to its advanced features, this machine is built to impress. This thing is packed with smart features like Turbo Wash 360, which LG claims can power through a full load of laundry in just 30 minutes. Imagine cutting your laundry time in half without compromising on cleanliness. It's a game changer for busy households. And then there's the AI direct drive technology. This uses sensors to determine the weight and fabric type of your clothes and automatically adjusts the wash cycle for optimal cleaning. No more guessing which setting to use. The machine does it all for you, ensuring your clothes come out looking their best every time. Pretty slick, right? But hold on, all this tech comes at a price. Advanced features and cutting-edge technology don't come cheap, and this machine is no exception. And let me tell you, the LG ThinQ AI washing machine is definitely on the pricier end of the spectrum. It's an investment, and you'll need to decide if the benefits outweigh the cost. So, is it worth the premium? Well, if you're looking for a top-of-the-line machine with all the bells and whistles, maybe. The convenience and efficiency it offers could be a huge plus for those who do a lot of laundry or have specific fabric care needs. But if you're on a budget, you might want to keep looking. There are plenty of other machines out there that offer good performance at a lower price point. It's all about finding the right balance between features and cost for your specific needs. Another thing to consider is the learning curve. This machine has a lot of features, and it takes some time to figure out how to use them all. If you're not tech savvy, you might find it a bit overwhelming at first. The app is well designed and fairly intuitive, but still, there's definitely a learning curve. You'll need to spend some time getting familiar with all the options and settings to make the most of it. Once you get the hang of it, though, you can do things like remotely start and stop your laundry, get notifications when your cycle is finished, and even troubleshoot problems. It's like having a personal laundry assistant right in your pocket. Overall, the LG ThinQ AI washing machine is a powerful and feature-rich option, but it's definitely not for everyone. It's best suited for those who are willing to invest in the latest technology and can take the time to learn how to use it effectively. It's a premium machine with a premium price tag, so you really need to weigh the pros and cons before taking the plunge. Consider your budget, your laundry needs, and how much you're willing to invest in convenience and advanced features. Only then can you decide if this high-tech marvel is the right fit for your home. Next up, we've got the Samsung AI Control Washing Machine. This machine is a part of Samsung's latest lineup, designed to bring both efficiency and intelligence into your laundry routine. This one's known for its sleek design and energy efficiency. The modern aesthetic makes it a great fit for any contemporary home, and its eco-friendly features are a big plus for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. It's got some pretty cool features too, like Super Speed Wash, which can wash a full load in just 30 minutes. Imagine being able to do a week's worth of laundry in the time it takes to watch an episode of your favorite TV show. And then there's the AI Wash feature, which uses sensors to optimize the water and detergent levels for each load. This means you get the perfect wash every time, without having to guess how much detergent to use or worry about wasting water. But what really sets this machine apart is its smart connectivity. In today's world, where everything is connected, having a washing machine that you can control with your smartphone is a game changer. You can control it remotely with your smartphone, schedule washes in advance, and even get notifications when your laundry is done. This is perfect for busy households where time management is crucial. However, some users have found the app interface to be a bit confusing and not as user-friendly as it could be. Navigating through the settings and options can sometimes feel like a chore, especially for those who aren't tech-savvy. It's not a deal-breaker, but it's definitely something to keep in mind. If you're someone who values simplicity and ease of use, this might be a slight drawback. Another thing to note is that the Samsung AI Control washing machine doesn't have as many wash cycles as some of the other machines on our list. While it covers all the basic needs, it might fall short for those looking for more specialized options. It's still got all the basics, but if you're looking for something with a lot of specialized cycles, you might want to look elsewhere. For example, if you need specific settings for delicate fabrics or heavy-duty cleaning, you might find the options here a bit limited. Overall, the Samsung AI Control washing machine is a solid choice for anyone looking for a smart and energy-efficient machine. Its combination of modern design, eco-friendly features, and smart technology makes it a standout option. Just be aware that the app interface can be a bit confusing, and it doesn't have as many wash cycles as some of the other options out there. But if you can look past these minor issues, you'll find a reliable and efficient washing machine that can make your laundry routine a lot easier. Now let's talk about the Bosch Series 8 with Home Connect. This machine is all about efficiency and quiet operation. Seriously, you guys, this thing is whisper quiet. You could practically run it while you're sleeping, and you probably wouldn't even notice. It's also incredibly efficient, thanks to its eco-silence drive motor and intelligent sensors that optimize water and energy usage. But here's the catch. The Bosch Series 8 has a smaller load capacity compared to some of the other machines we've looked at. So if you've got a large family or you do a lot of laundry, this might not be the best option for you. Another thing to consider is that the Bosch Series 8 is a bit more expensive than some of the other machines on our list. However, you are getting what you pay for. This is a high-quality machine that's built to last. And if you're looking for a machine that's both efficient and quiet, the Bosch Series 8 is definitely worth considering. Just be aware of the smaller load capacity and the higher price tag. Moving on to the Whirlpool Smart Front Load Washer. This one's all about intuitive controls and smart connectivity. It's got a large touchscreen display that makes it super easy to select the right wash cycle for your clothes. And with Whirlpool's Smart app, you can control the machine remotely, track your laundry progress, and even get alerts when your cycle is finished. One of the coolest features of the Whirlpool Smart Front Load Washer is its load-and-go dispenser. This thing can hold enough detergent for up to 40 loads, so you don't have to worry about refilling it all the time. However, some users have reported that the Whirlpool Smart Front Load Washer requires frequent maintenance. Apparently, the detergent dispenser can get clogged, and the machine needs to be cleaned regularly to prevent mold and mildew buildup. Overall, the Whirlpool Smart Front Load Washer is a great option for anyone looking for a user-friendly and connected machine. Just be prepared to do a little extra maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Last but not least, we have the GE Profile Smart Front Load Washer. This machine is a powerhouse when it comes to tackling tough stains and offers a range of smart features that make doing laundry a breeze. This machine is known for its excellent stain removal and smart features. It's designed to handle everything from grass stains to grease, making it a versatile addition to any household. It's got a special stain removal cycle that uses powerful jets of water to blast away even the toughest stains. These jets ensure that your clothes come out looking as good as new, no matter how dirty they were when they went in. And with GE's ThinQ app, you can control the machine remotely, create custom wash cycles, and even get alerts when your laundry is done. This means you can start a load of laundry while you're at work and come home to freshly washed clothes. One of the things I really like about the GE Profile Smart Front Load Washer is its sleek and modern design. It's not just functional, but also adds a touch of elegance to your laundry room. It's got a large touchscreen display and a minimalist design that would look right at home in any modern laundry room. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through the various settings and options. However, one thing to be aware of is that the GE Profile Smart Front Load Washer has a higher water usage compared to some of the other machines on our list. This is something to consider if you're environmentally conscious or looking to save on your water bill. So, if you're trying to conserve water, this might not be the best option for you. There are other machines that offer similar features with lower water consumption. Overall, the GE Profile Smart Front Load Washer is a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful and feature-rich machine with excellent stain removal capabilities. It combines advanced technology with practical functionality, making it a top contender in the market. Just be aware of the higher water usage. If water conservation is a priority for you, you might want to explore other options. But if stain-fighting power and smart features are what you need, this washer won't disappoint. So there you have it, guys. 5 AI-powered washing machines, each with its own set of pros and cons. Which one is right for you? Well, that depends on your needs and budget. If you're looking for the most feature-packed and technologically advanced option, the LG ThinQ AI washing machine is hard to beat. But if you're on a tighter budget or looking for specific features like energy efficiency or quiet operation, there are other great options out there. No matter which machine you choose, be sure to do your research and read reviews before making a purchase.